In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Cameo 3 without using the cut-in matte feature. Coming up.
It's that no, she flow. Yeah. It's that.
Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah. It's your boy Flex McKenzie. And if you're new here, don't forget subscribe, hit the notification button. After the video, smash that like button and drop me a comment. Let's roll into the video. So people are having problems. They want to know how they could use the Cameo without using the cut-in mat. Very simple. All you have to do, you see where it said cut-in mat, just click there, and where it said none of your business. No, I'm kidding. Just hit none, right? And then all you have to do, you go to send. Make sure you go to depends on what you're using. You're using what kind of vinyl you're using. I don't know. Let's say you're using your standards vinyl. Let's say like cedar vinyl or B flex. Just go to heat transfer smooth, right? It already have everything set up. It should be, 4, 8. The force is 4, the speed is 8, and the 2 up here. All right, and the pass is 1, and then all you have to, it's already on cut. Everything is set. I'm using the automatic blade, and all I have to do is just hit send, and I'll go over to my machine now. That's all you have to do. Just go over to the machine now and load your vinyl without the mat, and it will cut. That's how simple it is. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you're new here, please like, share, subscribe, and as always, I'm going to catch you on my next video. This is your boy Flex, and I'm out.